So it's time for another hot new products, and this week I don't know what I've got. Let's see. Okay, it's really big, and it appears to be from Oracle Lighting. So this should be bright and shiny. Let's figure out what this is.
I love you.
It is Oracle Lighting's LED wheel ring kit. So what I do know off the top of my head about these is they're available in single or double row. I'm trying to figure out which one I have here. Single. So they're single and they're white. So it's a bright white LED, one row, as you can see on the back here. And from what I understand, they only work if your wheels are 18 and 19 inch or larger. The diameter of this actual piece is 16 and a half. So maybe if you want to get creative, you can put it on your smaller wheels. A very unique harness with a pretty cool power switch. So you don't need to stunt on the neighborhood all the time.
I love you.
And this is the real meat of the operation. This will basically illuminate the inside of your wheel, as seen on the box. And if you have underglow, this is the next logical step. This is really popular among big truck guys, those big SEMA trucks, the bro dozers. I love these things. Let's see what else we got. So, just based on what it tells me on the box, what I'm looking at is black powder coated rings and hardware. So this has all been powder coated with super bright 2835 LEDs. This is a thicker and more durable ring design than the original, so I think this is a later version of the same product. And it features these heavy duty installation brackets. So there's a lot of ways to install this, but the general idea is that your brake rotor and or the heat shield, depending on your vehicle, will have some sort of mounting point, or you can bend these and, you know, do a little DIY fabrication on the side. If you're already experienced with making stuff for your vehicle, or you're working on a really big truck and you're not afraid to get your hands dirty, it shouldn't be too hard to mount these up around your brake rotor to illuminate the inside of your wheel. If you have drum brakes, you may have to do a little more extra fabrication, but really there's all sorts of options. It's pretty modular, and as long as it's inside and centered in your wheel, it's gonna look good. Let's see if we can get these powered. So here's your product in use. Kill the lights, please. So very bright, very white LEDs, and since Ray's sent us some wheels, so obviously there's no brake rotor and the dust shield that you would normally use to mount this, but just to give you an idea, this is what it's gonna look like. So as you can see from the outside, I imagine it looks pretty cool from that side. You can set it depending on where you want your wheels, more under the chassis or more up front in the barrel, but it does give your wheels quite the show-ready look. If you're looking for something just like this and you want to stunt on your whole neighborhood, go to oraclelights.com and check it out.